this right here just sticks the machine right to the hill. So it's very, very safe.
This is what you want to run if you're going to be on anything that you're going to slide on, side hill in, anything. Ice is the big deal, but these have been spectacular and they go on pretty quick. I think we outfitted this whole excavator, both sides, in probably less than an hour. So that's pretty quick. If you're welding lugs on there, it's basically a 2-day situation. These can come off, put new ones on. So TrackGrip, they're a great company. These are all made by robotic welders, and this is all super hard steel. Some of it's even AR. Anyways, here's your adjustments on the side. Boom, they go right on, and away you go.
And the other is that too, what's really cool about these, you can have a job, and literally this took 45 minutes per machine to put these on with 2 guys. And when you get done with a job, you can just take a torque wrench and just unbolt them and take them right off and go to your next job where you don't need them. So that's really cool about these. You can take them on and off, and they're a really great product.